Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello, everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make churros, a delightful fried pastry. First, we'll create the dough by combining water, butter, oil, sugar, and salt in a saucepan, bringing it to a boil. Next, stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a ball forms, cooking for about 1 minute. After cooling the dough slightly, gradually add 4 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. This creates our perfect choux pastry base. Now, let's get to frying. Heat your canola or vegetable oil in a deep pot to precisely 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy exterior. Carefully transfer your dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Then, gently pipe 5-inch ropes of dough into the hot oil, frying only a few at a time to maintain the oil temperature. Cook them for a few minutes on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown. After frying, it's time for the delicious finishing touch. Carefully remove your golden churros from the hot oil and let them drain briefly on paper towels to remove any excess oil. While they are still warm, immediately roll them in a delightful mixture of half a cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This coating adheres perfectly to the warm churros, creating that iconic sweet and spiced flavor. Serve them right away for an unforgettable treat. Here are a few tips for churro success. Always use a thermometer to keep your oil at a consistent 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents them from becoming greasy. Remember not to overcrowd your pot. Frying only a few at a time helps maintain that ideal temperature. For an extra special treat, serve your warm churros with a decadent chocolate dipping sauce or a luscious dulce de leche. Enjoy these crispy, sweet delights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.